Hello from Coral Island in Thailand. I am on a boat tour today on this Christmas Day, 25th of December, and I'm in paradise. Just look at this beauty over here. It is so amazing and so nice. Pure white sand, and it looks absolutely stunning. Indeed. Beautiful. Now, at this part you cannot swim, but just around, just after that blue jetty, plastic jetty, you can go in for a swim. And it gives really paradise feeling indeed. Beautiful. Now, we're gonna be staying here for 1.5 hours, and I hit a stone with my foot. Uh, and yeah, this is how the water looks like. Pretty amazing, right? Just look at the color of the water. Absolutely stunning. So, yeah, I'm gonna be exploring this piece of beauty, and then I'm gonna go for a swim at the designated swimming area. So it was such a great idea to go for a boat tour on Christmas Day. So, and take some beautiful pictures and do some snorkeling also here as well, as it is nice and beautiful destination indeed. So this is the second spot, the second stop for the boat tour, and then it's gonna have 2 more stops after this, including lunch as well on top of that. So greetings from Coral Island, and see you soon with the swim on this island in Thailand. Oh my god, it rhymes. So let's go! Hello from Coral Island in Thailand. It also rhymes. It is 25th of December 2024, Christmas Day, and I am in paradise. It was definitely the perfect decision to go on a boat trip on Christmas Day, as today is day 13 of my vacation in Thailand, so I have 2 days left after this one that is still in the beginning, because it is 11:30 a.m. and I'm gonna be on the boat tour for 5 more hours actually, and exploring a few more stops along the way. But this is Coral Island, and it looks amazing indeed. We came here by boat from the previous stop, that was Mai Tong Private Island. Before that we departed from Chalong Port, and it's a full day boat trip that cost me 1,000 bahts, which is approximately $30. And it was definitely worth it, I would say, because it includes lunch, soft drinks and fruits, and of course you can also get snorkeling kit for free to rent it, but I have my own, so that's not needed for myself, that part. But yeah, I'm now here at the more fun part of the island, where there is basically nobody. So it was super nice for a photo session here and some dancing as well on the beach in peace and quiet. I mean, on this island you can come here and stay the full day because it's so beautiful indeed. And just look at the color of the water. Isn't it amazing? It's so beautiful, so beautiful. Yes, it's called Coral Island because there are corals, which we need to find where they are. But I think later on the next stop we're gonna snorkel on a coral reef as well. So I'm just gonna use this time for a swim here at the beach as here we are staying for 1.5 hours on this stop before we go to the next island, which is Raya. So let's then enjoy the nice day on the open sea today and celebrate Christmas in the best possible way with a swim in the Andaman Sea. I mean, look at this color. I just can't make this up. You can see for yourself. There is no filter added to the video. It is as it is in 4K with my GoPro Hero 11 Black. It's like paradise. It's like paradise. Perfect indeed. There are some bungalow houses here, so you can technically stay in this island. But then I guess you need some other things to do as well if you're stranded on this island, right? Just look at the water. It's amazing, isn't it? It's so beautiful. Brilliant. Fantastic. And there are a few different several islands around here as well, smaller islands. Not as many as in Sweden, as Sweden is the country in the world with the most islands actually. So I'm very proud to live in a country with the most islands in the world. But yeah, Thailand is amazing. 30 plus degrees we have currently, and in the sea it's around 29 degrees Celsius satellite measurement. So that's perfect for a day out in the sea. And hopefully this time on the boat trip I won't be getting any stomach pain like I did last time, but it was at the very end. So let's see. I will be very moderate with the lunch today, to be fair. It's very light because I'm swimming also, and it is very hot as well. So let's take a dive and swim here at Coral Island, at Coral Beach here in Thailand. Let's go! Wow, amazing. It's so beautiful, but now I noticed that the sun was in the opposite direction, so let's dive in from the sun side. That's more like it. Heaven on earth. So beautiful. Just look at how breathtaking this is. This is on the one of the sides of the beach. I'm gonna go all the way to the other side later to take a swim even there as I have time. There is not much rush this time on this boat tour like the other one, which is amazing despite visiting two different islands. Oh, this is life. I can get used to it for sure, but unfortunately there are only 2 days left of my vacation here in Thailand. Cool, so that is a wrap from Coral Island, part 1. Let's see if we can have one more later. But thanks so much for watching this episode, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris!